When you first open Descript, this is the view you'll get. This is the project view. And this is where all of your projects in your entire drive are listed, and you can sort them by different things like duration, size, etc. But if you come over here to where it says workspace on the left side, this is where you can sort things. You can create folders and subfolders and get things nice and organized. And you do that by clicking this button right here that says new folder. And then you could give it a name. I like to sort things by year and month. So I could say 2024, hit return, create folder. And then what you can do is you can find a project. Like, let me go into my YouTube one. You can see I have it broken down by different categories here, different topics that I talk about. And then I have them broken down by year. And then I could select a project like this one here, and I could go to these three dots. I could say move to, and then it has my entire drive and all the folders and subfolders, and I could move it to one of those other folders by clicking on it and hitting move. You can also bulk move things by clicking this little box to the left of the project name, and then coming over to these three dots and saying move to, and then same thing, you could bulk move everything selected into another folder. And there's a lot of different ways you could organize things. You could create a folder for a course you're making. You could create a folder for each YouTube channel or podcast that you have, or whatever makes sense with your particular workflow and projects that you're creating. You can make folders and subfolders for each of them.